In this video, we are going to put together one of these. It's a creeper from Griot, whatever. Anyway, King's Pneumatic Creeper number 2, and it is a heavy sucker right here. Bet it weighs at least 10 pounds. It's actually pronounced Griot, because that's the obvious way you would pronounce Griot. Anyway, let's relocate to the garage and see what's inside. All right, let's get into this and see what we've got. Whoop. All right, well, first off, that is a bit bigger than the seat I am used to. Wheels. Oh. There we go. All right, so this is pretty heavy duty. It's plastic, which I actually like. Unlike this one where you can stick these things to it, which that is nice. The paint is coming off of it right here. You can see that. So I'm thinking the plastic might be an improvement. I can always stick that there if I really wanted to. I could actually glue a piece of metal right here, which I probably will because I just roll that way. Oh, that came out. All right. It's all ball bearings and metal, nice big wheels, and I can stick my fingernail into it. And this locks, as you can see. So I know 2 of them lock, so I think I want to make sure that I put the locking ones on one side. And how nice, they give you a little wrench. The pneumatic thing, pretty beefy. Looks like it goes right in there. And this probably just sits on there. All right, there we go. All right, let me finish up those feet and we'll take a closer look. They've got their name embossed in there, and great big wheels. This is what it looks like next to another one that, you know, pretty standard one. So you can see it's quite a bit beefier. Rolls around great. It's very sturdy. All right, so how do I feel about this stool compared to my old stool? Well, for starters, sucker is freaking hard. This one, soft and squishy. This one, Jesus, thing doesn't budge. Sucker's hard. So that said, it rolls way better, super smooth, and I'm kind of liking the wider rim here. This one, definitely, my butt kind of hangs off the sides a little bit. This one, not at all. This little lip here is nice. I've actually scooted back further than I wanted to off the back. The wheels are a massive improvement, so definitely like the wheels. It's not quite as low as this one. I think I'll get used to that. But overall, it feels really good. These little grooves right here are for tools. So you stick a tool in there and you let the tool hang out so you can grab it. These are those magnetic things I showed you before, and that can just sit right in there. So happy about that. They sell these cup holder things that go here. I didn't get them because I was worried they'd hit my legs when I did this, and I am for sure correct. they would definitely hit my legs. And as far as the locking, you know, that one doesn't have locking. There's only been once or twice where I've wished that it locked. You know, if I'm working on my wheels here, the lower is nice, but I can get over that. All right, well, I'm pretty happy with this upgraded creeper. And I think this is about the only one on YouTube. There's a couple reviews of their other creeper, but none really of this. So if this helps you make a buying decision, then that is super. Either way, please subscribe so you don't miss any of my truly awesome random videos. Thanks for watching.